Good morning, kids. Today we have English, and before we start our topic about it's a Friday, and we can learn something about Halloween. Do you like Halloween? Let's repeat some rules about present simple. How to make present simple? Sorry. So, present simple we can use when we are talking about things which happening every day, normally, usually, every day, or every Monday, or I don't know, every week, every year. So it's normally, it's always happening all the time. It's not about now, it's not about yesterday, it's about every day or normally or usually things. For example, I play basketball every day, or I go to school every day, or I go to school from Monday to Friday, and so on. So how to make present simple? I, you, with, they. We use just with normal base verb. Like for example, if I use play, will be I play, you play, we play, they play. Okay, sorry. And if we are talking about he, she, it, we put s in the end, right? So like he, and then place, she plays, it plays. Don't forget to about this rule, he and she and it, we use with s in the end. Place, or tells, or watches, or washes, and so on. And how to make question in this present simple. This is special question with special question word what. What do I do? So we use this verb to make a question do. If we are talking about I, you, with, they, these pronouns we use with just do, normal base verb do. What do I do? What do you do? What do we do? What do they do? Okay, what do you do on Halloween? It will be in your text. But if we are talking about he, she, also it, we use does, also s. And you see, if we put once already this s in the end, in this case we use es because it's not because we have vowel sound do, o sound, o letter, and we cannot put just s. Dos will be dos. We need does. In this case, it will be does. So, and we don't use it twice. We use it just only one time. So, what does he do? Or what does she do? What does she do on Halloween? What does he do on Halloween? What does he do in the school? What does she do after school? So, don't forget about these rules. When we use, when we make questions, we use verb does with he, she, and do with I, you, with, they before pronouns. So we put question word, what or where or when after this verb do or does. Depends on pronouns. Don't forget about this rule. And now let's read some text about Halloween. So, what do you do on Halloween? Yeah, first question. What do you do on Halloween? What do you do? Yeah, and you can answer. We do something. We make masks. We wear costumes. We sing the songs. We play trick and treats. You know this game. Play trick and treats. Okay, let's read some text. On page number 166. So Mrs. So we can read it like M-R-S. We read like Mrs. Mrs. It means that she is married. She's married. That's why we use Mrs. Okay, Mrs. Bell. When is Halloween, Tom? It's October 31st. Jack, it will be on this Sunday. Mrs. Bell, why don't we have a Halloween party? B. Mrs. Bell, what do people do on Halloween? Do you see? What do people? People, it means they, the same like they. That's why we use do. What do people do on Halloween? Jack, children wear costumes and masks. They tell ghost stories. Okay, do you see? Children means they. Where? So that's why we use just normal verb V. Yes, where. If we are talking she, for example, or he wears, would be wears. Yeah, will be wears. Okay. And they tell, not tells, not told, no telling. They tell, just base verb. Okay. They tell ghost stories. And you can see on this page 167, next page, what do people do on Halloween? And the answer can be, they read horoscope. They read horoscope. So can you answer this question and use every picture on this page? So what do people do on Halloween? So how can you answer? They, the same, tell, nothing change. So they tell ghost stories. They tell ghost stories. Okay, what do you see here? They go to Halloween parties. They go to Halloween parties. Okay, what about this? They play trick or treat. They play trick or treat. So what do people do on Halloween? They read horoscope. What do people do on Halloween? They wear costumes. What do people do on Halloween? They made Halloween pumpkins. After that, can you please make our exercises on page number 173. So just put it in the order, this story. What did we read now? We have So the teacher is asking when is Halloween, so put it in the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, right? Answer these questions, costumes, masks, and after please make exercise, the last exercise for today on page 174. So just fill the gaps. What do, you can see a picture and you can say, so they are two, so you can ask what do they do on Halloween? So here it will be, what do they do on Halloween? They make Halloween pumpkin. Okay. And so on. Answer these questions. Like, they wear costumes. They read horoscope. They tell ghost stories. So you can use these phrases from page 167 and write it here next to the pictures. Okay, so and that's it for today, and maybe you can answer, what do you do on Halloween? Do you wear costumes? Do you play trick or treats, or do you make Halloween pumpkins? Okay, see you next time. Bye bye. Hope you are well.